Formatting a date cell. So let's say we want to change this date format into something that looks a little more visually pleasing. So the first thing I want to do is right click on the cell and I go to format cells. And then here we have a couple different categories and we're dealing with the date. So I'm going to select the date category. And then here we actually have a bunch of different options. So let's say we want to change it to something like this, 14-March-12. And that's just an example. So obviously we have the day, the month, and the year. And it actually shows us what it's going to look like when we hit OK. So I'm going to hit OK. And now we have 23 Jan of 2022. And just looking at this, maybe we want to extend the year to be 4 digits long. So I actually can go back to the format cells. And let's just say we didn't see it in here where we wanted it exactly. So I actually can go down to custom. And this breaks it out into the actual equation it pulls up for the date format. And if you zoom in here, you can see D represents the day, M's represent the month, and Y's represent the year. And for Y's, we only have 2 Y's. So actually you could go ahead and just add in 2 more Y's. So that gives us 4 numbers for the year. And as you can see, the sample actually adjusted as we typed in the Y's. So I'm going to delete the Y's one more time. And now we're back to just the 22. I'm going to type the Y's again. And now we're back to 2022. I can do the same thing for the month we're wanting to. I can type in more M's. And then we get the full text of January. I actually could go ahead and just delete the D and the hyphen. And then we have just January 2022. So you can just kind of play around with that and see what you think looks the best. So this is what we wanted as our day, our month, and our year. And we have 4 digits for the year. And I think the spelled out January looks better, so I'm going to hit OK. And now this is formatted the way we want it to be.